Want to make your garden pop? In just 60 seconds, I'll show you how to craft a seed snail, a fun, eco-friendly home for your seeds that anyone can make. Grab your supplies, bring your imagination, and let's dive right in. This is the fastest, cutest garden project you'll ever try. Ready? Let's make your own seed snail right now. Ready to unleash your inner garden wizard? Let's kick things off with a supply roundup that's more fun than a snail at a salad bar. Here's your mission. Gather the essentials that'll turn you into a seed snail superstar. No need for a trip to the fancy garden center. Your kitchen and recycling bin are about to become your best friends. This project is all about using what you've got, saving cash, and flexing those creative muscles. Step 1. Grab a sheet of newspaper. This humble hero is about to become the shell of your snail. Bonus points if it's yesterday's crossword. Extra personality. Step 2. Snag a cup of water. Not for drinking. This is for giving your newspaper that perfect snail sculpting squishiness. Hydration, not just for humans. Step 3. Find a small bowl. This is your snail spa, where newspaper gets its makeover. Make sure it's roomy enough for a good dip. Step 4. Potting soil. This is the 5-star hotel for your seeds. The fluffier, the better. Your snail's going to love it. Step 5. Seeds. Pick your favorites. Herbs, flowers, veggies, or that mystery packet you found in the junk drawer. Every seed is a surprise waiting to happen. Step 6. Bring your best mood. Enthusiasm is the secret sauce. The more fun you have, the cuter your seed snail will be. Science probably says so. Last step, set up your creative zone. Find a spot with plenty of space to spread out, crank up your favorite playlist, and get ready to make gardening history, one snail at a time. Got everything? Awesome! Let's get snailing! Ready to give your snail a home worthy of a garden superstar? Let's roll, literally. First, grab your trusty newspaper and lay it flat. Think of it as your snail's red carpet moment. Remember those paper fans you made as a kid? Time to channel your inner origami ninja. Fold the top edge down about an inch. Precision isn't just for rocket scientists, folks. Flip it over, fold again, and repeat, like you're making the world's most eco-friendly accordion. Keep going until you reach the bottom. Don't stop. Your snail's future penthouse depends on it. Now give your masterpiece a gentle spritz. Just enough to make it pliable, not soggy. We want snail real estate, not snail soup. Time to shape your snail. Carefully coil your folded strip into a spiral, tucking the end underneath to hold its shape. Next, grab your seeds, sunflower, bean, or whatever you fancy. Tuck a few into the center of your snail shell, pressing them in gently. Find a cozy spot in your garden, nestle your seed snail into the soil, and give it a gentle watering. Voila! You've crafted, shaped, and planted your seed snail. Garden magic in under a minute. Onward to the next step, garden hero. Ready to unleash your inner garden wizard? Let's dive into the magical world of seed snails, where tiny shells become epic plant palaces. Trust me, you're about to make your garden the envy of every squirrel in the neighborhood. First up, grab your snail shell. Not just any shell, but the coziest, cutest one you can find. This is your plant's future penthouse suite, so pick with style. Give it a quick rinse and a pep talk. Wink. Now let's pamper your shell with a soil spa day. Gently spoon in potting soil. Don't be shy, fill it up. Tap it down so every nook and cranny gets some love. Think of it as fluffing the pillows before your guests arrive. Here comes the fun part, seed selection. Are you team fast grow herbs, cress, or team flower power, marigolds, zinnias? Pick seeds that match your vibe and your patience level. No judgment. Some of us want instant jungle, others crave a slow bloom. Sprinkle your seeds like you're seasoning a 5-star meal, generously, but not too wild. Make sure they're spaced out so everyone gets a seat at the table. No seed left behind. Want results like yesterday? Go for cress or herbs. They'll sprout before you can say photosynthesis. Or, if you're feeling fancy, plant flower seeds and get ready for a color explosion. And there you have it. Your seed snail is ready to rock. Place it somewhere sunny, give it a little water, and let nature do its thing. You've just turned a humble shell into a botanical masterpiece. Go ahead, brag a little. You've earned it. Ready to give your seed snail the 5-star home it deserves? Let's make your garden the hottest real estate in town. First up, find a bright, cheerful spot. Indoors, a sunny windowsill is prime snail property. Outdoors, Look for a cozy nook with a little shade. No snail wants a sunburn. Pro tip: snails are all about that moisture life. Keep them away from blazing sunbeams that turn soil into toast. A little mist goes a long way. Place your seed snail right on the soil, or tuck it among your plant squad for instant garden cred. The only rule? There are no rules. Get creative. Your seed snail's new home is limited only by your wildest gardening dreams. And here's the real secret sauce. Every thriving garden needs a generous sprinkle of love, and maybe a pep talk or two for those stubborn seedlings. So roll up those sleeves, get your hands gloriously dirty, and let your green thumb shine. Got a quirky garden hack or a tip that makes your plants do a happy dance? Share it with us using #Rhokins Homestead on your favorite social media. If you had fun and learned something new, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, because the garden party is just getting started. Thanks for hanging out with me at Rhokins Homestead, your go-to spot for all things green and growing. Let's dig in and grow together. Happy gardening!